Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw small letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now I draw small letters alphabets A to Z. And first you draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball. B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat. C for car. The alphabets of C. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog. D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw F. F for fish. F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, now draw G. G for God. G for glass. The alphabets of G. Kids, now draw H. H for hand. H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And use green color. Green color. I. I for ice. I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids, again use green color and draw J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. Kids, now draw K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. The alphabets of K. And use black color. Black color. Kids, again use black color and draw L. L for lion. L for lemon. The alphabets of L. Kids, now draw M. M for moon. M for mango. And use white color. White color. Kids, again use white color and draw N. N for nose. N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids, now draw O. O for orange. O for octopus. And use red color. The alphabets of O. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids again use red color and draw Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. The alphabets of Q. Kids neither R. R for rose. R for rice. The alphabets of R. And U is yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw S. S for sun. S for snake. The alphabets of S. T. T for teacher. T for tiger. The alphabets of T. It's neither U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. And U is blue color. Blue color. The alphabets of U. Kids again use blue color and draw V. V for van. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. Kids neither W. W for wallet. W for watch. The alphabets of W. It's neither X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. And use green color. The alphabets of X. Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. The alphabets of Y. Kids again use green color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.